From cattle farm to kitchen, dozens of facilities, hundreds of hands, one continuous chain. All for this.
Every hamburger begins here on a cattle farm, long before a kitchen or a grill.
The beef in a commercial burger doesn't come from just one cow. It comes from many, carefully blended. The lower value trimmings, chuck, round, and sirloin leftovers, arrive chilled, ready for processing.
The grinder runs 2 passes, coarse first, then fine, while the meat is kept near freezing to stop bacterial growth.
Every batch is tested for bacteria and fat content before a single patty is formed.
The forming machine stamps thousands of identical patties per hour, each weighed to the quarter ounce. They're blast frozen immediately at -40 degrees, locking in freshness and killing surface pathogens.
Across town, the bun begins. Flour, yeast, sugar, water, and dough conditioners churned in an industrial mixer.
Machines divide and round the dough into equal portions. Then the buns rest in a warm proofing chamber to rise. The buns travel through a tunnel oven at over 200 degrees, emerging golden, seeded, and done.
Before sunrise, both the patties and buns arrive at the restaurant, separated by hundreds of miles of cold chain.
The flat-top griddle reaches cooking temperature, the stage is set. The Maillard reaction begins, proteins and sugars browning together at high heat, creating that savory crust. Processed cheese, engineered with emulsifying salts, melts evenly every single time.
Toasting the bun creates a moisture barrier, so it won't go soggy under the juices. Assembly is choreographed to the second. Every condiment, every topping placed in the same order, every time. Wrapped immediately, the steam softens the bun and melds every layer together.
From cattle farm to kitchen, dozens of facilities, hundreds of hands, one continuous chain. All for this.